Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to dive into a unique and delicious dessert that's sure to tickle your taste buds, the Nacho cheese ice cream sundae. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 handful of shredded cheddar cheese, a drizzle of hot sauce or nacho cheese sauce, if you're feeling bold, and crushed tortilla chips for topping. Now, let's get creative. Scoop the ice cream into a bowl, don't skimp its dessert. Next, sprinkle cheddar cheese on top like it's sprinkles. Add the hot sauce in an artistic drizzle, and top it off with tortilla chips for crunch. And there you have it, a scrumptious nacho cheese ice cream sundae. This dessert is perfect for those who love a little spice with their sweet. It's a fun and unique twist on the classic ice cream sundae, and it's sure to be a hit at your next get-together. So, what do you think? Are you willing to give this quirky dessert a try? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to follow and subscribe for more delicious and creative recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!